हाउ डू आई जनरेट लीड्स फ्रॉम माई बिजनेस? आयुष यार मुझे लीड्स नहीं मिल पा रही है अपने बिजनेस में. I got to hear this question a lot from different people, so I thought of creating this video. So I have used LinkedIn to generate tons of lead and close high ticket clients, and it is literally a gold mine for the people who want to generate the leads. However, I see most of the people, they don't know how to use LinkedIn and to generate the leads, so I thought of creating this video. So in this video, I'm going to share you my best 4 ways to generate leads on LinkedIn. So make sure you watch this video till the end, especially the 4th part is the most crucial one. Hi, this is Ayush. I welcome you to my channel. So on this channel, I talk about solopreneurship, client acquisition, lead generation. So make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss the future content. All right, let's get started. So the first step is your first degree connection. Now, who are these first degree connections? So these are those people who are directly connected with you on LinkedIn. Now, if you're creating content on LinkedIn, these are the first category of people who are exposed to your contents. That means it is a very high chance they already know about you, and all you have to do is to reach out to these people. How to find your first degree connection? So this is how you can find those people and reach out to them. All right, let's see the first step. So I'll go to the LinkedIn. एंड लिंक्डइन में जाने के बाद यू क्लिक ऑन माई नेटवर्क ऑप्शन. जब आप माई नेटवर्क पे क्लिक करेंगे, यू क्लिक हियर, यू गो टू द कनेक्शंस, एंड कनेक्शंस में जाने के बाद यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो वो सारे लोग जो आपके फर्स्ट डिग्री कनेक्शंस में हैं. तो अब यहाँ से आपको क्या करना है, गो विद सर्च विद फिल्टर ऑप्शन. एज यू कैन सी आई हैव टोटल 990 रिजल्ट्स हु आर पीपल एंड हु आर माई फर्स्ट डिग्री कनेक्शन. अब इसके बाद आपको फिल्टर करना है आपके टारगेट आईसीपी. सो वो आप कैसे करेंगे, क्लिक ऑन ऑल फिल्टर्स एंड हियर यू कैन सी ऑल द डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस लाइक लोकेशन, करंट कंपनी, पास्ट कंपनी, स्कूल, एंड इसके थ्रू आप उनको फिल्टर आउट कर सकते हो. If I take my example, I work with coaches. So here the options which I'm going to select is industry mein I'll go, and in the industry I will select professional training and coaching because these are the people who I want to target. Further, if I look down in the service category, I can click on coaching and mentoring. So the people who are providing coaching and mentoring as their service, I'm going to select them. So let's click on show result and let's see what do I get. So you see 137 results. So 990 से 137 results आ गए, मतलब 137 people are those who are my target market. So let's see some of the examples. So she is the first example. She is a transformation, career development, life coach, which is my target market. You see assistant professor, and let's move down. You see NLP life coach and business coach, change maker coaching, communication coach, ICF coach. तो आप देख सकते हो कि it filtered out the clear ICP or the ICP which I want, right? So in this way, you can tap your first degree connection, and that's how you're going to generate the leads. So 137 leads I have generated based on your connection number. You can find your number of leads. All right, let's move to the second part, which is your second degree and third degree connection. Now, who are these people? So these are those people who are not directly connected with you, but they are connected to your first degree connection, and that is why they are called your second degree and third degree connection. Now, why these people are important? These are important because if you're creating the content on LinkedIn, these are the second category of people who are exposed to your content after your first degree connection. So it is a very high chance that these people also know you. So that means they're already kind of warm and the hot. All you have to do is to reach out to them and talk about their challenges, and boom, you will be able to find the potential lead. So how do you find the second and third degree connection, right? So here are the steps that you can follow. So go to the network, click on connections, again click on search with filters, and inside that, instead of selecting first degree, what I will do is I'm going to select second degree and third degree. So you see how many results did I get, like such a huge number. But of course ये सारे मेरे ICP नहीं है. अब यहाँ पे मुझे I have to filter them again. Click on all filters. Now inside all filters, so there are different parameters which I can use. So I can select India, which is number 1. I'm only targeting Indian people as of now. And then in the service category, I can click on coaching and mentoring because I'm targeting coaches. You can target any people whom you are targeting. And then again, going to the industry, I can select the coaching one. So I can type coaching and I can see the relevant. So you see professional training and coaching. So I'm going to select on that and I'm going to click on show result. So you see 6,300 results. So these are those people who are my exact ICP. So let's see the few example. You see Vandana, she is a professional certified coach, my ICP. Sheetal, she is an inner power coach, self-growth coach, award-winning author, flow coach. So you see how much I have niched down and I'm able to find the relevant people who are my ICP. And you just see the number 6,300. And since all of them are second and third degree connection, there is a high chances they have seen my content. So again, tons of leads I have generated just through this process. So you can implement the similar process and you can find a lot of leads. Now all you have to do is to either connect with them and send them a personalized message and start engaging with them. So just imagine, out of 6,300 people, even if you convert just 1% of it, 63 clients in whole year, I mean, that's a huge number, correct? And this is what the second step is all about. All right, let's move to the step number 3. So once you have exhausted your first degree, your second degree, your third degree connection, now it's time to tap into the infinite pool of people that LinkedIn have. All you have to do is to filter your ICP and reach out to those people. So here's how you can do that. So let's see how we can use the search option, which is the third step. So click on the search bar. Now on the search bar, I have to type my ICP name or my ICP category. So since I work with coaches, so I'm going to search on coach and I'm going to hit the enter button. I'm going to select on people, and within the people, you see LinkedIn is showing me all the potential coaches which are there on LinkedIn. So once you have exhausted your first degree, second degree and third degree connection, this is the another way you can reach out to the people. And there is a very high chance that these are your ICP. So as you can see, all of them will not be your ICP. You can click on all filters and you can implement the same thing. For example, the current company, past company, industry, you can select. For example, in my case, it is professional training and coaching, and service, it is again same, coaching and mentoring. You have to see what is your relevant filters that you can use, right? And click on show results. Again, it's showing me 82,000 results, which is a huge. Step number 4 and the last and the final step is make use of events. So on LinkedIn, people have been running different kind of event related to different kind of topics. All you have to do is to find these relevant events and register for these events, because once you register, you will practically get exposed and access to all the different attendees. Now, why are those people attending those events? Same reason as yours, because they also want to get insights and they also want to learn about the topic. So that means you're directly able to find your ICP. So for example, if you're solving a problem of generating leads, or let's say if you're helping people with Facebook ads, and if there is an event in which is talking about how to use Facebook ad, and there are thousands of people, that means those people need help with Facebook ad. So if you get access to them, you are practically getting exposed to all the people who need help with the Facebook ads. And that's the logic behind attending the event and tapping into those people. And I'm going to show you how to leverage the event. So for that, if I type lead generation, and again I'm going to do the same thing, events. So you see, powerful lead generation system to 3x with LinkedIn events and ChatGPT. So this is the very relevant event for me. So I'm going to click on this and just look at the attendees number. It is 35,000 people are attending. So this is a perfect event for me. So all I have to do is to register here. I have to share my details and click on submit, and boom. So once I do that, you see, I'm able to access all these people. I'm able to see all these people who are attending it. I can again apply the filters, and I can tap into the coaches. So let's do that. So I only want coaches. So that means I'm going to click here industry, which would be like professional training and coaching, and then I'm going to go and click on coaching and mentoring, show results. Great, 824 results I have got. So these are those people who are not only coaches, but also they're having this problem of lead generation. So all I have to do is to just reach out to them, and I can ask them ki, hey, I saw you're attending this event, even I'm also attending this event. So like, how's your business going on? Like, what's the challenge you're facing? I can start this conversation and I can start tapping to these people. So here's how you can use the fourth step, which is the event. All right, so these are my 4 best ways to find leads on LinkedIn, which I use every day to close and generate high ticket leads and clients. I hope after this video your lead generation problem is solved, but still अगर आपको कुछ question है, if you still have the doubt, please put those questions in the comment section below so that I will be able to address them. Till then, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. See you. Bye bye.